Hello from Busch Gardens. We are here today to ride some coasters. Right here in the front, Iron Gwazi. Look how high it goes. That is pretty steep. So that's going up, and then that's going down. All right, let's go see how the wait times are. 40 minutes. Oh my goodness, we just got off of Iron Gwazi. I didn't film it. I was scared the entire time in mine. I think we might have waited 30. We got row 10 and 11, and going up and down the first drop, it wasn't too awfully bad, but it was still a little scary. And were the parts where you were like spinning and going sideways and upside down, but it was fun. I would do it again. It was a very scary first ride here. I didn't film on it, but we still have a lot more things to do. So if we just came here to Busch Gardens, don't forget to hit the like button for this video and subscribe for more videos. All right, so we rode Iron Gwazi. Nadia and Owen are now gonna ride the Gwazi gliders. There they are. Kangaroo. All right, they're all sleepy right now.
Put it in your bowl. Mama, look. The kangaroos eat it. Pet him. Good boy. Are you sure it's a boy? Kangaroo. Oh. You like carrots? Oh. You like carrots? Pet it, Mommy, pet it. You like this? Good.
That one has a blue bill. That's very cool. I like that. Pretty. Kinds of flamingos over here. I like these buildings. They have eyes. That is funny. We're over here in Sesame Street now. All right, let's go let Nadia ride some rides. Air Grover. And there's a band playing too. All right, let's go let Nadia ride. So there's a very small circle of a water ride right here, like that's it. And then the playground. It is so fun looking, like a giant tree house. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna fall. Woo! Ah! Go!
We're supposed to go up there.
Oh my goodness. Splash pad over that way. Is that Iron Gwazi that we just rode? Oh my goodness. Yeah. There's even another higher one over there. Alright, let's go. Made it inside another aviary. Look at these birds. Oh, it got blurry. There's a macaw. All right, let's go see over here. Going in the door. Enter. Ooh. Okay, birdie's swimming. Splish splashing, taking a bath.
Look up there, Jonathan. Jonathan.
Yeah, it's got a bullfish.
Look, there's something. Look, there's something right there.
Hey, don't throw these
They
at
don't
them.
want to eat that, buddy. They don't eat leaves.
This one's just getting wet. Loving it though. It's not even moving. It's just staying right there in the water.
Making a break for
He's
it.
just laying down too. Is its beak stuck? Oh no, there it goes. I know. They're so beautiful. They're so giant. Wow. Oh my goodness. Look at this red thing. Water just spewed all over the place. Oh my goodness. I'm not sure what this one is. Is this one Sheika? This is only our second time here at Busch Gardens in Tampa, Florida. So I'm not exactly sure. That's cool that it goes inside that. Oh, that's where it drops. Okay. All right. Statue. Oh my goodness. And then there's the orange one. That's the one we haven't been on either, but it's just like a circle, and then it goes backwards. So I think that's one that I'm gonna have to skip. One that is Brayden will have to ride. Owen's wanting to ride them all. He's like fearless. So since we go to the theme park so much now, like he'll ride pretty much anything. Complete opposite when I was little. I was scared to ride merry-go-rounds even, like honestly. But now I'm still scared. Like I was scared to death riding Iron Gwazi for the first time. But it was fun. I'll do it again. Wow. We're doing that. Wow. I'm so scared right now. I love you.
Love you.
And now we're on the train. Go all around the park, has different stations that you can get on and off. And you're going to see animals as well as some of the rides as you go
Out
by.
to our left, I hope we see antelope somewhere between here and the Nairobi train. Surprised you as it spun into view. A few of you were surprised by this ride. No, press purse. Is that a hiss in my microphone? Yes, and it's our family-friendly spin attraction, taking riders forward, backwards, and spinning in Egypt area. What's it called again? Cooper's Curse. Don't miss it. Some people think that these rides are even more fun at night. And you know we're open late. You have that chance even with the time change. You'll get to ride a ride or two if you like after dark. I sure hope you do. Hang on to your hats, everyone. You can tell right about now, as we go uphill, that the train is a high-speed thrill ride.
Oh, yeah.
In fact, the train is as fast as all these roller coasters divided by 30.
Divided by 30.
Well, this roller coaster all around us is Montu, one of the tallest inverted steel roller coasters in the United States. By inverted, I mean that when you ride Montu today, you will dangle your feet as you ride under the rails on Montu. They naturally reach up high into trees to browse, to eat. And our zoo staff supplement the natural browsing and grazing diets of our wildlife. Now you see a zebra standing by the feed tray looking for food that might have dropped to the floor, dropped to the ground, knocked off the feed tray by the giraffe. And back to our left, did you notice those huge tame antelopes, the ones with horns? Those large tame antelope that we passed first were eland antelope, the antelope called impala, known for their leaping or jumping ability, impala. Now there are zebra up on the hill to the left. Grevy's zebra. I love their tall, gorgeous manes. Grevy's are the largest type of zebra on Earth. But not the rhinos. The rhinos will often seem to ignore the train, especially if they're busy eating, grazing. The rhinos will make the train wait. Now up on the hill to the right, you can see our baby boy. I'm confident that he's with his mama. That baby boy was born here at Busch Gardens on October 2nd of last year. Would you like to know his name?
Yes!
As his dad climbs the hill up to the right, the baby boy's name is Viazi. Viazi means potato in Swahili. And that name was selected from a few choices by Busch Gardens fans and online. Oh, he's going over and sniffing.
So we got some food at the steakhouse right up here by Sheika, and boy was it expensive. So I hope it's good. I got the barbecue pulled pork sandwich with some fries. I had a fry. They are really good fries, but that is a ton of pork too though. But I got extra barbecue sauce. Ellen! What did you get, Ellen? Chicken. And Nadia got mac and cheese. A little teeny tiny thing of mac and cheese. Alright, let's start eating. Alright, it's getting dark. We're going into Jungala. Hopefully we're gonna see some monkeys over here, some gorilla, some silverbacks. I don't know. So far, okay, so this is supposed to be orangutans. I don't see them out. They must be taking a nap. Oh, I do remember this from the last time we were here. We were going inside there and they have some glass on the floor. Where see those little hammocks underneath there? Sometimes they're hanging out there and you can just see them right down below. So that's pretty cool. I don't see anybody inside this building, so let's go see if it's open. I see it. There's a tiger. Wow. He's pacing. All right, so we are gonna go through the tiger trail. Wow. Yeah, that's really cool. I wonder if we come back that way. Because when you keep walking through this little cave, it's a tiger. There's like an area up above too. Oh, that's blocked off though. Oh, I wonder if sometimes the tiger will walk across that. That's what it. Yes. That box over there, that's where you can go underneath these stairs and poke your head up through there. And last time we were here, he was laying on top of that box. That was so cool. Oh, he's drinking some water now.
I want to go in that box now.
Yeah, let's go over there and see if we can go poke our heads through. We are in the box.
Excuse me.
There's the tiger.
Okay, there.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more upcoming videos. And now it's your family time. Bye.